A single decision can redirect the course of an entire life because direction determines destination. When a person consciously chooses responsibility over excuse, intention over drift, and purpose over comfort, their thinking begins to reorganize. Choices sharpen, priorities clarify, and energy gathers around meaningful action. External circumstances may not change immediately, but internal alignment creates momentum. What once felt scattered becomes focused. The power of one day lies in this shift, the moment you stop negotiating with limitations and start steering your life deliberately, knowing that every future outcome grows from decisions made today. Progress begins the moment you look at your life with clarity instead of comfort. Honest self-examination is not criticism, it is intelligent observation. By identifying habits that drain energy, patterns that delay growth, and beliefs that limit action, you gain the power to change them. Awareness turns vague frustration into specific direction. It reveals where effort matters most and where change must begin. When you see your life accurately, improvement stops being accidental and becomes intentional, because clear understanding naturally leads to wiser choices and more disciplined action. What you accept repeatedly becomes what you experience daily. When you raise your personal standards, your behavior must rise to meet them. You begin to demand more discipline from your time, more integrity from your actions, and more purpose from your efforts. Higher standards reshape decisions before results ever appear. They influence how you think, what you tolerate, and what you pursue. Over time, life aligns with these expectations because consistent standards guide consistent actions, and consistent actions inevitably shape the direction and quality of your future. Action is the bridge between intention and transformation. When you move immediately on what you know you should do, hesitation loses its power and confidence begins to grow. Small, decisive steps create momentum, and momentum changes how you see yourself. Progress becomes visible, energy increases, and clarity replaces doubt. Waiting for perfect conditions delays growth, but purposeful action creates its own opportunities. Each disciplined step taken today strengthens belief in your ability to shape tomorrow, turning possibility into measurable change. Lasting change is not the result of chance, but the outcome of clear decisions, honest awareness, elevated standards, and immediate action. When you choose responsibility, see your life truthfully, demand more from yourself, and move without delay, transformation stops being distant and becomes practical. One day becomes powerful not because everything is finished, but because everything is redirected. A new mindset sets a new path, and a new path, followed consistently, reshapes the future. The life you want begins the moment you decide to live with purpose and act with intention.